homemade fried soft hard corns. Mawogola amasiike. Wadde weebuuza kiki oyinza opaakingira omwana wo ku go back to school kisobole omumazaako ttaamu yonna oba emyezi 3 nga tekyonoonese ate ne kisigala nga kikyagondana bulungi nga kikyawooma. Today I'm here to take you through how to make homemade fried hard corns for your back to school kid. Whoever is watching, please like this video. Gwe nawe nange olaba bambi video eno gikwate ogiwe ekigalo giliking. For the new viewers, please subscribe for daily recipes. Gwe nawe nange oli mupya kwata subscribing ofuna recipes za buli kanaku. Tugenda funa kasoli waffe. We are going to get our maize or our corns, soak it for 24 hours. We are going to get your maize and water. The first ingredient, maize and water. Then we are going to apply our hard corns or our maize or our kasoli in our saucepan or a bowl or our basin or a container. Then apply your water. Apply your water. Kwata kasoli wo musemu basin musepiki wa mu kintu kyonna container kwata oteekemu amazzi. Soak for 24 hours. Kwata omunyike okumala essaawa 24. Kwata onnyike kasooli ono okumala essaawa 24. Nze Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi asiika ne basiika. Toyiga wekka. Kwata obikkeko omunyike okumala essaawa 24. Cover and soak it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you are going to open it. Okuva essaawa zo 24 ogenda kwata kasooli wo omuceekinge. Bw'omaliza omuceekinga muggyemu ago amazzi omwoza okumala emirundi 2. After, remove it from that water, the one you used to soak it. Then you are going to rewash it for like 2 times. You are going to rewash it for like 2 times. Ogenda mwoza okumala emirundi 2 mu mazzi agatukula. Then bw'omaliza okumwoza ogenda kuma essigiri oba okuma ekyoto kyo. You are going to light your sigiri, you are going to light your charcoal stove, you are going to light your fire, you set your fire so that we go on the cooking point. Yeah. Then omaliriza ogenda kudayo back to kasoli wo. Then kasoli wo ng'omaze okumwoza ng'olaba omwozezza bulungi ng'olaba atukula. After washing your kasoli, then we are going to get our rock salt. Tugenda funa ekisula kyaffe. Rock salt. This is called rock salt. Genda mu katale, ask for kisula. In English, rock salt. Rock salt. In Luganda or in our Ugandan language, it's called kisula. Then in our saucepan, apply your the soaked maize or the soaked corns. Musepiki yo kwata oteekemu kasoli wo gwe wasookinze for 24 hours. Naye ng'omujja amazzi gali g'omaze omwoza nga omuteeka musepiki etukula. Then bw'omaliriza kwata oteekemu ekisula kyo. Apply your rock salt. Kwata oteekemu ekisula kyo. Apply your rock salt. Remember, this is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. So the rock salt will help you to tender the maize. Then after apply the water. Apply the water. Ekisula kino kigenda kukwata kikuyambe okugonza kasooli ono oba to soften the corns. Then after apply water, then boil until it's ready. Boil until it's ready. You are going to keep on applying more water. Whenever the water reduces, apply more water, apply more fire or more charcoal. Until the water when the water reduces, when the maize is not ready. Buli lw'olabanga amazzi gakendedde nenga kasooli tannaba kujja, kwata oyongeremu amazzi, okwata oyongereko n'omuliro. Kitegeeza olina ofumba paka bw'otuuka n'omunyigako bw'oti nga bw'omunyiga agonda mu ngalo zo. Nga bw'omunyiga agonda bulungi mu ngalo zo. Tulikola fried hard corns or fried mawogola. We are doing fried hard and soft hard corns. You can see. Yes, you can see now it's ready. You can see now it's ready. So omulaba kati ayidde ate n'amazzi gakendedde. So when the water reduces, we are going to put our banana leaves. You are going to cover the banana leaves. Amazzi we gakendera kwata okavalinge ne banana leaves ate era naye kasoli waba ayidde era okwata okavalinge n'endagala zo okumala essaawa nnamba. Kitegeeza ntugenda boobeza naye n'omuliro gwa wansi gukwata ogukendeeze okozese just steam, okozese just ebbugumu eriri mu kasooli. Then obikkireko ddala abeere nga tayisa mpewo. Remove the heat or reduce the heat or the fire, then just leave it to use its steam. Cover for 1 hour. Bobezo okumala essaawa nnamba. After 1 hour, you are going to strain. After 1 hour, you are going to strain. You are going to strain the kasoli, or you are going to strain the maize, or you are going to strain the corns. Kasoli ogenda mukwata omujje mu sepiki mw'omufumbidde. Kozesa akasengejjo oba osooka okozesa kyonna kyonna ekintu kasa tomuseneramu mazzi. Then set it on the flat tray. Musetting ku tray flat. After, leave it to cool. When it cools, please fry immediately. Nkiddamu muteeke ku tray omusaasaanye akuulinge bulungi. Bw'amaliriza okuggwamu omukka kwata osiike immediately. Tomwanika. Nkiddamu kasoli tomwanika. Don't sun dry the maize. After, leave it to cool. When it cools, fry immediately. So after, we are going to deep fry in hot oil. So you have to keep on checking it. You have to keep on checking it. You have to keep on checking it. So you can also use this same procedure when doing the business one. Also, the method eno yemu nga okola ne fried addictions or fried mawogola is a business. But the one for the go back to school, make it a little bit dry when you're frying it. Make it a little bit dry. It will be dry, but it will remain soft and crunchy. Amawogola ago ag'omwana okutwala ku ssomero. Fuuka that ogakola nga go gakazeemuko. Because wadde ganaaba gakaze, bw'anaatuuka okgalya, gajja kuba gabwatuka buki? Bulungi. Super Kitchen School to training akuka Rebecca barista ne pastries mu short courses mwezi gumu myezi 3 gwayagala okusomako ebitono. Tugera basa mutuwa abaana bajje basome advanced certificate y'emyaka 2. Asomye emyaka 2 emyaka 3 wamaliza tumufuna internship motel. After internship, after graduation tumufuna n'ekyokukola. Tuli full register ne ministry abavu atubawa accommodation ne meals. Esano ndikuwa kibayita half bursary. Esawa zina I'm giving half bursary. So, wolaba nga gakaze bulungi, gakwate ogajjemu. Gagwate ogajjemu, omaliza ogajjamu, immediately apply salt. Bw'omaliriza ogajjamu bw'oti mu butto. Nga waakagajjamu bw'oti nga waakagajjamu. Kwata oteekeko omunnyo. Immediately spray oba apply salt. Remember, this is Chef Joshua Omusiisisiisi. So Super Kitchen School, right now we are offering half bursaries. Right now we are offering half bursaries. Please WhatsApp me on that number. WhatsApp nga kwe number gujolako Super Kitchen School gwe yetaaga bursaries. Ojo registering to training abaana abamaze senior 4, amaze P7, abamaze senior 6, abaana abatatuula, abaana abatamanyi kusoma, abatamanyi kuwandiika. Buli muntu yenna tumusomesa. Olw'ensonga ffe tukola 100% practical hands-on. Super Kitchen School where chefs are made. So addictions zaffe ziyidde tu spreadinzeeko omunnyo zireke zikuulinge, bwe zimala okukuulinga packingira omwana wo. Leave them to cool. After applying salt, leave them to cool. Then pack for your kit. Omusindike ku ssomero. See you.